Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Windows edition supports Hyper-V and that CPU virtualization is enabled in BIOS. Once done, install or update Nox to the latest build so you have current compatibility fixes. Next, disable other hypervisors like VirtualBox or VMware because they conflict with Hyper-V. You want a single active backend. Reboot after toggling BIOS or uninstalling software to ensure Hyper-V can initialize cleanly before proceeding to configuration steps. Now you enable and configure Hyper-V so Nox can use it. Open Windows Features or run DISM to enable Microsoft Hyper-V. This installs the management components. Once enabled, set Hyper-V launch type to auto with bcdedit so Windows starts Hyper-V at boot, then reboot. In Nox, switch its engine to the Hyper-V backend or reinstall and choose Hyper-V support if prompted. Finally, confirm the Hyper-V Virtual Machine Management Service is running. This ensures virtual machines can actually start when you launch Nox. Finish by launching Nox as an administrator and creating a new virtual device, because old images can inherit bad configs. If problems persist, inspect Event Viewer under Hyper-V and System logs to find specific error codes. That tells you whether drivers or permissions failed. As a targeted troubleshooting tip, if Nox still conflicts with Hyper-V, temporarily disable the Windows Hypervisor platform to test an alternate backend. Then re-enable it after you confirm which mode Nox prefers. This isolates the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.